Isaac Newton, a giant of science, is best known for his laws of motion and gravity. These revolutionized our understanding of the universe, but Newton was more than just a scientist. He was deeply religious and spent years studying biblical texts. Newton believed these texts held clues to the future. He even tried to use them to predict major global events. Newton's dual interests in science and religion might seem contradictory. However, he saw them as two sides of the same coin. Both were ways of understanding the universe. He believed that God's plan was hidden in the natural world. Newton dedicated much of his life to unraveling these mysteries. He used both scientific and religious lenses to do so. Newton was particularly drawn to the prophetic books of the Bible. He was fascinated by the book of Daniel. This book is full of symbolic language and cryptic prophecies. Newton believed that by carefully analyzing the text, he could unlock its secrets. He hoped to understand the future of humanity. Newton spent countless hours poring over ancient texts, making calculations and searching for patterns. He believed that God had a master plan for the world. This plan unfolded over time. By understanding the patterns of history, Newton thought we might be able to glimpse the future. While Newton is best known for his scientific discoveries, his work can also be interpreted through the lens of war and conflict. His third law of motion, for example, states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This principle is evident in political and military retaliation. One country's aggression will often be met with a counterattack. This creates a cycle of conflict. Newton's law of universal gravitation can also be seen as a metaphor for international relations. Just as a large object exerts a stronger gravitational pull, powerful nations often wield greater influence over smaller ones. This influence can manifest in various ways. These include economic pressure, military alliances, and political manipulation. Newton's studies of the Book of Daniel led him to a fascinating prediction. He suggested that a significant transformation would occur around the year 2060. Some have interpreted this as a prediction of a global war, perhaps even a third world war. However, it's more likely that Newton was referring to a broader shift in civilization. This shift could involve major political, social, or technological changes. It could even signal a new era of peace and global cooperation. While the exact nature of this transformation remains unclear, Newton's prediction continues to intrigue historians, scientists, and theologians alike. It serves as a reminder of the enduring power of his ideas.